Hi everybody, this is Vasu DJ. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to talk about objects of teaching geometry, trigonometry and coordinate geometry. First, we will see that what are the objectives of teaching geometry, why we have to teach geometry, what are the objectives we should have. First, to enable the learner to acquire a mass of geometrical facts. So, so many facts, geometrical facts are there. So they have to, the learner should learn how, what are the facts or the geometrical facts, the shapes and formulas in that, the area, all facts they should know. To implement geometrical principles like equality, symmetry, similarity in every nature of the things. In daily life, what are the symmetrical figures are there? What is meant by equality, similarity? What are the difference between symmetry and similarity? All they should know. So that is one of the objective of the geometry. And to develop the ability to draw accurate figures. So triangle, quadrilateral, the types of quadrilateral, they have their own properties, characteristics. According to that, the student has to draw the figures. So that we have to develop that ability. For that is one of the objectives of geometry, to demonstrate the nature and the power of pure reason. Why the shape is like that? What are the characteristics? Particular shape having their own characters that we have to tell about that. So to make them to understand for that, so is one of the objective, to systematize the information received by the pupils in the preschool stage. Whatever they learn step by step, so that we have to systematize the information. To aid the pupils in becoming familiar with the basic geometrical concepts and space perceptions, and in understanding the fundamental techniques such as the use of set square, protractor, compass, etc. So in geometry box we have many instruments. Many people don't know that. Students how to use that, what are the name they don't know that. That we have to introduce and we have to use that, and we have to make them to learn how these and all used in the while constructing a geometrical figures, and to acquaint with the pupils the good geometrical notations and symbols. Here in geometry we have so many symbols will come. The angle, degrees. So all we have to have knowledge about the symbols or notations in the geometry. So these are the objectives of teaching geometry. Next we will see that what are the objectives of teaching trigonometry. The first, the student will be able to impart knowledge of trigonometric ratios and identities. So in trigonometry, the students will learn what are the trigonometric ratios, all the six ratios, the sin theta, cos theta, sec theta, like that. So all they will come to know that. To apply the knowledge of the trigonometry to solve daily life problems. Third one, to find heights and distances. So a complicated abstract sums. So we need to use of trigonometry, to appreciate the use of trigonometry to solve the problem. So using this the height and distance, so how to, by using the trigonometry they will solve the problem, so that they can appreciate the trigonometry, to develop the creative thinking and reasoning. So in this, by using these trigonometric ratios, they know the everything, so that will develop the creative thinking and reasoning power among the students, and to understand that it is an essential tool. So higher level mathematics, so in engineering and higher standards, this trigonometry is a very foundation, basic. This is how to that. These are the objectives of teaching trigonometry. Next, we will see that what are the objectives of teaching coordinate geometry. The first, the student will be able to draw a plan for a given situation. So here, where the exactly the location and all. So for that, so they can draw the plan by, if they know the concept of coordinate geometry, they learn very well, they can plan whatever the situation, where the place, location, all they can able to plan. Applies the Cartesian system, so they can use the Cartesian system. Identify the coordination of points, the x coordinate and y coordinate. So locate the quadrant in the Cartesian plane. So x-axis and y-axis. So what are the quadrants? Four quadrants will come. They come to know that what are the first quadrant, second, third, fourth quadrant, and what are the sign of the coordinates x and y in each quadrant. They will know that. Plot the points in the Cartesian plane. So if you give the points, you can able to plot in the Cartesian plane. So write the axis and ordinate of a point. So they come to know what is axis and ordinate of a point. So x-axis and y-axis, where exactly the sign minus x, minus 6 plus 5, how it comes, where it comes, all they will come to know. So thank you for watching. If you not subscribe, please subscribe my channel.